Here's a screen for the planner, 17 touch screen, which is using the AUO M170EG01. So because there's a touch screen here, we had to be really carefully when you take it out. We're gonna take the film out and leave the touch screen still intact with the first frame. We need to remove this metal film, and we have to do it really carefully. Let's use this too. One side at a time, remember, and just be really careful. Oh, now you can see it. One side at a time. There's no screw, so you just have to again do it one side at a time. Okay, one side at a time. Okay. Okay. Now, all right. So hang on. Remember, get your hand behind. So holding the liquid glass. Set aside. Okay. So I usually like to lay off a liquid glass on the cardboard. So we remove this thing, the cover. Okay. Okay, set it aside, flick over, be really gentle, and pull this one out. In this case, I think the liquid gas doesn't come out easily, so we're going to show you another method, because there's some grooves. We're going to set it up from the top, right, like this. We have a special make tools, small plastic, because if stick in between to loosen up. Okay, so you do the four side, tilt up the back a little bit, tilt up a little bit. Be really careful again. You know, I'm not sure you can see or not, but because I couldn't lift it up, the glass, there's some grooves still on the glass, between the glass and. Okay, let's try up. Let me try on this side. Now it's probably much better. Okay, we just loosen it up. Oops. Now, okay, we'll loosen it up. So. Alright, so you're gonna do like this. Okay, this side the same thing too. Alright, now by using small plastic, you're gonna go over, easy to take it out. So we're gonna set the screen aside. See, I put my glove in. So we're gonna do this the same way. I do not want to leave my fingerprint on this diffusion sheets. Let's take a look. Alright, okay, on the back, be careful, make sure it's clean. Set face down. I see there's some screws holding. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna take this wire holder out. Okay. Okay. You take it out. Take it out. There's two screws we need to remove. It's holding a plastics, right? Okay. One. Okay. Two. Okay. Now we need to all do these clicks. Okay, again, just do like this. See that? I'm not sure you can see. See? Okay. Because I have my gloves, so I don't worry about one side at a time. This side, we're gonna do the bottom side too, and the top side. Same thing. Alright, so let's see. Okay. There you go. It's coming out. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take out these wires. See this? The wire must be taken out. Okay. These wires. Okay. All right. Okay. There's one more click here on this side. We're almost done. There we go. Okay, set that aside. Now the way is that I usually get the whole stack of the diffusion sheet. I see a little bit dirt here, but you can clean it later. And then get the whole stack. Get like this and place on the top of the liquid glass. Now we see the LEDs, the backlight assemblies. We take it out. 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna lay it back like this. Okay, all right, perfect. So now let's take a look. The LED kits. Okay. So it's not gonna fit it inside of the reflector. The only way we could mount like this, using this a whole metal bracket as a heatsink too. So before we install it, we're gonna set it aside this old reflectors. Before we install it, we have to test it first. So let's test it. I'm gonna connect the LED here. Okay. Where it is. Okay. Okay. LED looks good.